Chia seeds versus flax seeds. Which one truly deserves the title of the ultimate superfood? Both are packed with fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants, but one may have the edge when it comes to heart health, weight loss, and even cancer prevention. Stay tuned as we break down the science to help you choose the best seed for your health. Chia seeds versus flax seeds, which is healthier? Chia seeds and flax seeds are two of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, often praised for their impressive health benefits. While they share many similarities, there are key differences in their nutritional profiles that can influence which one is better for your needs. Nutritional highlights. Chia seeds are notably higher in fiber, making them excellent for digestive health and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. On the other hand, flax seeds contain more antioxidants, particularly lignans, which are known for their potential to reduce inflammation and support hormonal balance. Superfood status. In recent years, both chia seeds and flax seeds have been recognized as superfoods due to their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based proteins, and essential minerals. Studies link both to improved heart health, lower cholesterol, balanced blood sugar levels, and even protective effects against certain types of cancers. Chia seeds versus flax seeds. Key differences. Chia seeds. These tiny oval-shaped seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Mexico and Guatemala. Historically, they were a staple in the diets of ancient Aztec and Mayan civilizations. Chia seeds are usually black or white, have a mild, almost neutral taste, and are often consumed whole. Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, flaxseed are slightly larger and flatter than chia seeds. They are typically brown or golden in color and can be purchased whole or ground. Originating from the Middle East, flax seeds have a mild, nutty flavor that complements baked goods, smoothies, and cereals. Both seeds are versatile and easy to add to a variety of recipes, from yogurt and salads to baked goods and overnight oats. Chia seed versus flax seeds. Nutrition comparison. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are nutrient powerhouses, packed with plant-based protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals. While they share many similarities, there are notable differences that may influence which is better for your nutritional goals. The table below compares the key nutrients in 1 ounce, 28 grams, or roughly 4 tablespoons, of flax seeds and chia seeds. Nutrient. Flax seeds. Chia seeds. Calories. 150. 138. Carbohydrates. 8g. 12g. Fiber. 8g. 10g. Protein. 5g. 5g. Fat. 12g. 9g. Thiamine B1. 38% DV. 15% DV. Magnesium. 26% DV. 23% DV. Phosphorus. 5% DV. 5% DV. Copper. 38% DV. 29% DV. Selenium. 13% DV. 28% DV. Iron. 9% DV. 12% DV. Zinc. 11% DV. 12% DV. Calcium. 6% DV. 14% DV. Potassium. 5% DV. 2% DV. Key takeaways. Flax seeds contain slightly more omega-3 fats and are especially high in copper and thiamine, vitamin B1, which are crucial for energy metabolism. Chia seeds have slightly fewer calories but offer more fiber, iron, and nearly 2.5 times more calcium, making them excellent for bone health. Heart health benefits of chia seeds and flax seeds. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that the body cannot produce on its own. Research suggests that ALA supports heart health by lowering blood pressure levels, reducing LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, minimizing oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, the omega-3 content in these seeds may reduce blood clot formation and improve overall cardiovascular function. However, individuals taking blood-thinning medications should consult a healthcare professional before consuming large amounts of chia or flax seeds. Chia seeds versus flax seeds, blood sugar and metabolic health. Both chia seeds and flax seeds may play a role in reducing the risk of metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. Their high fiber content slows the digestion of carbohydrates and the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes and crashes after meals. Diets rich in fiber have consistently been linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. By improving glycemic control, both seeds can be beneficial additions to a diabetes-friendly or blood sugar-conscious diet. Cancer prevention potential. Both chia seeds and flax seeds offer protective compounds that may help reduce cancer risk, primarily due to their fiber and antioxidant content. Dietary fiber has been associated with a reduced risk of several cancers, including esophageal, gastric, colon and rectal, breast, endometrial, ovarian, renal cell, prostate, pancreatic. Flax seeds may have an edge in this area because they are one of the richest sources of lignans, a type of antioxidant known for its cancer-fighting potential. A 2019 research review suggests that regular flaxseed consumption may offer protective benefits against certain cancers, including breast cancer and acute myeloid leukemia, AML. While chia seeds also contain antioxidants and polyphenol that may reduce cancer risk, fewer studies have explored their anti-cancer effects compared to flax seeds. Chia seeds versus flax seeds, appetite control and satiety. Both seeds are high in fiber, which helps control hunger by slowing digestion and increasing feelings of fullness. However, flax seeds contain more soluble fiber, about 25% of their total fiber content, compared to 7 to 15% in chia seeds. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water, delaying gastric emptying and triggering satiety hormones. This makes flax seeds slightly more effective at reducing hunger and cravings. Digestive health benefits. Good digestion is essential for nutrient absorption and overall well-being. Both chia and flax seeds are excellent for supporting digestive health due to their balanced mix of soluble and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stools, promoting regular bowel movements and reducing constipation. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like texture that can help bind digestive waste, improving stool consistency and reducing diarrhea. The gel-forming properties of soluble fiber, particularly abundant in flax seeds, can help normalize digestion, making both seeds a natural aid for gut health. How to eat chia seeds and flax seeds. Chia seeds and flax seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Their mild, almost neutral flavor means they pair well with both sweet and savory dishes. Whole seeds. Sprinkle them on top of yogurt, salads, or oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies for added fiber and omega-3s. Both chia and flax seeds can also be used in baked goods, homemade granola, or as a natural thickener for sauces. Chia seeds, when soaked, form a gel-like texture, making them a popular base for chia pudding or a vegan egg substitute. Recommended amount. Most of the documented health benefits are associated with consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons, 10 to 20 grams, per day of either seed. Ground seeds. While chia seeds can be eaten whole, flax seeds are best consumed ground. Their tough outer shells can pass through the digestive tract undigested, which reduces nutrient absorption. Grinding flax seeds enhances bioavailability of omega-3 fats and other essential nutrients. Emerging research suggests ground chia seeds may also be better absorbed, although this is less critical than with flax. Storage tips. Due to their high fat content, both seeds can turn rancid if stored improperly. Keep them in airtight containers in the refrigerator or freezer, and consume them promptly for maximum freshness and nutritional value. The bottom line, chia seeds versus flax seeds. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are rich in fiber, plant-based protein, and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. While flax seeds may have a slight edge in terms of appetite control and potential cancer-preventive benefits, the differences are minimal. Incorporating either or both into your diet is an easy, cost-effective way to boost nutrition, support heart and digestive health, and stabilize blood sugar levels. Want more science-backed insights into healthy foods and nutrition tips? Subscribe to HeInfo for expert health guides, evidence-based food comparisons, and actionable wellness tips to help you make smarter dietary choices.